her to send Mateo's art project into school.
You thought you were gonna find that mess in dinner.
I'm sorry. Look, I'm worried that you're in a dark place.
Whatever place I'm in is none of your business. You lost the right to ask about my personal life when you decided to explore things with Michael.
But it isn't a business or personal life affects her family. You've missed pickups, you're oversleeping, you're not at work.
Because I'm not feeling well. Once you get this out of your business, you need to leave.
¿Qué te pasa? Well, I'm 46 and my sex life is over. Claro que no. Solo tienes que ser paciente. El cuerpo cambia. Necesitas tiempo para explorar qué es lo que te gusta ahora.
Why these creeps killing the mood? You got home at the perfect time. We have some guests from the immigration office. They're here on a surprise home visit.
Sorry, I didn't know we had company.
May we take a tour of your home?
Oh boy. The only thing more uncomfortable than Alba and Jorge with immigration officials. He's been that trying to pretend like she's used to wearing jeans.
Then, after Ronnie and Shutter broke up, all hell broke loose. Everyone had to take sides.
I don't even know these people, but I'm obviously teaching.
Kind of point.
This isn't really your scene, huh? Or partying in general?
Kidding? No, I love to party. Me and my friends get lit.
Sure, if it were 2015.
Oh, your friend's Petra. She was just telling me all about how you guys get lit.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you should see how crazy we get on our Sunday brunches. Last week, we split mimosa.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, but things with Raphael are getting worse and I'm really worried. Okay, and I know we broke up, but I'm still the mother of his child. I still get to know what's happening with him, especially if he's hurting himself or doing drugs.
I'm doing drugs, Jane.
He started taking antidepressants.
We recall Ginger swearing that Rafael was on drugs.
Antidepressants?
Just not the kind she imagined.
Yes, you're satisfied? Well, I'm glad that he's taking care of himself and getting help.
Great. Now, I'd really rather not hold your hand while you process this for the next 10 hours. Go home, Jane.
I'm sorry.